Hey guys, Cybernator 5000 here with a review. No. Hey guys, Cybernator 5000 here. Recently, I just got into music more, so I had to have a way to listen to music. So I got this old iPod, 2005 iPod Classic, and I actually think it's been working out pretty well. It's a nice iPod, has a nice bright screen, just text, no pictures, but it's cool. It's got a lot of storage space. My version is 80 gigs. I'm not sure if you can see that over there, but 80 gigs, and that's pretty good. And you can also put music videos as well, movies, and there are a few little extras like games. But my Apple headphones were crap. They're just crap, and they broke down rather quickly. So I had to get a different option because all the other headphones that I had didn't really work all that well. So I decided to go for a speaker set. So I found this. It's the JBL OnStage Micro, and it's pretty good. It's very small. It's pretty small speaker set. It has two speakers here in the front. I'm not sure why. Wait, yeah. I think only two speakers. This almost looks like another speaker, but I'm not sure. And on the back, I'm not sure what this is, but you can either use AC power, or you can power it with 4 triple A's, which I think lasts quite a long while. I got it just recently, like 2 weeks ago, and I didn't replace the batteries yet, so that's a plus, I guess. So, as for how you set it up, it doesn't use your headphone jack. It uses the charging base thing. You connect it right in here, and you can listen to music by turning it on from the back. You can tell by the green. But I'm not sure, but I think you can actually charge the iPod while it's connected here, because there's also a USB plug-in. I think you can do everything on your iPod when it's connected here. So first off, it comes with a few accessories, because as you can see, this is empty, and when you put it in, it doesn't actually slide all the way through. It's hard to explain, but it moves. So what happens is you can actually bend and ruin the piece in here. So it comes with these 3 little items. What you do is you snap them on, and it makes the perfect room for a certain iPod. Like this is, I think, the Nano. Yeah, they're a little hard to take out. But as for me, I'm using the old Classic, so I'll take this one. Snap it in, and it connects, and it has a much better fit. And the other thing that came with it is a remote control. It requires one those, you've seen them, one of those button cells. I think it comes with it, but I'm not entirely sure. And yeah, I'm not really sure why I'd need it. It uses infrared, but I'm not sure why I use it, because it's so small. But yeah, always nice to have. Never say no to free stuff. So that's for specs and stuff. But how does it actually sound? Well, I think it sounds pretty good, especially for its size. But you should be a judge. Let's throw in some. Don't Stop Me Now. Let's see how it will sound. Wait, it's off. I'm gonna put it on the highest just to check how much it goes. Does it go? For some reason, the light blinked and it went down. But as you can see, it's pretty damn high. I want to see it again. Yeah, if you go too high, it will blink here and it will stop, unlike what Queen says. But you can still put it on a decent volume without it blinking out.
Having a good time, shooting star leaping through the sky like a tiger, defying the laws of gravity. I'm a racing car passing by like Lady Godiva. I'm gonna go, there's no stopping me.
Well, that's all for the JBL On-Stage Micro. If you want to pick one up, I have to admit I have no idea where you can pick it up, but it's pretty good, decent, and great, pretty good sound. Until next time, Cybernator 5000 signing off. Hey guys, this is just a special video for everyone who kept watching after the credits. To all you regular viewers, you know that I make video game reviews, and I love doing that, but I didn't do that for quite a long time now, I think. Like a month or almost 2 months, I think. But that's because in Israel you can't really get any video games. It's very hard to find good old video games for a decent price. I can't get it on eBay because just the shipping that costs a ton of money. Like I get an NES that's $60 with a shipping of $100. Ridiculous. But I did find a decent deal for an NES. I found on just a local Israeli, auction site. It's I think a little under $100, and it comes with 12 games. Two of them I only know are Mario 1 and 2. The others I don't know. So all my regular viewers, tell me if I should get it, if it's a good deal. Well, see you next time.